or a spaceport. That's what it is. It's just a damn spaceport. There's another one, you can see the top of it lit up. It's like, and there's another one here, there's another one here in diagonal to that one. Look at the top of it, and the tip, it comes to a pointy tip. There's another one here. This one is almost like a triangle. And there's another one here. I mean, it's just, they are so dark and so dull that you have a hard time distinguishing them from the others. But look, that right there, that's one of them. It's almost completely lit up. It's only this dark band that you can see. That might be this one right here. I'm not sure. But you can see this part is very bright compared to the surrounding areas. That tells me that some kind of energy is still. And you can see the top of this one is a square like a submarine. And there is another top is real bright compared with the surrounding moon material. It's too bright to be part of the moon. This is different. This is part of this vehicle. And you can see right there, and it has a upper part right there, strange shapes. There's another one right here, you can see the tip of it. And then this one right here that looks like a zeppelin. Look at that, right there. That might be the same one. And look, this is like a protruding part of it to the side. See how weird looking, and they'll have that flat frog head on one side. And then the other head right there at the very end. And there's another dinosaur head right there. And then you have this one on top. Right there. It looks like a crocodile head. That's a vehicle right there. This thing is just crawling with vehicles of every size and shapes. I mean, you name it, it's there. It took me a long time to realize what all of this was, until I finally watching photographs and reading Dr. Bergrun's book, Ringmakers of Saturn, and how they operate and what do they do. I finally caught up with exactly how they, what they look like, and how all different shapes. There's another one, but this is a parking lot, period. And where that worm is coming from, that is from the top of one of these vehicles. The vehicle itself powers the wormhole. See, and there's several objects, smaller objects. They might be what I think is they've been compressed. They have been compressed to fit into the singularity, which is what you have to do to get into the matrix and show up in another part of the universe or in another dimension, whatever the plan is, the flight plan. And you can see all this tubing, and this is like a scaffolding, a space matrix. I understand now a lot what this picture is gold. My God, it's one that looks like triangular, like a pie, a piece of pie. But these are the big ones, Big Daddy. There's a huge ass one right here, and this thing is so big that the picture is not big enough to show the entire vehicle. That one is sticking into the mountainside right there, and there is another one. I can only tell because you can see the roundish of the tube. Incredible, my goodness. And then look at this one, and from the side look like a crocodile head or a dinosaur head, whatever. And that one looked like a dragon head too, and that one, and they all had the same type of look, scary ass looking look. I mean, but on this top you can see, man, far up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I count about 25 of them. Just in that top. And then you come here, and this thing probably keeps going under that photo. NASA has that one. And you have a skinny, thick, large, short, square, round, you name it. This one is being serviced. There is a tube right there where the arrow is, the cursor. That is a service tube. I guess they're filling on the tank. Where is it? Right there. You see? And that is a vehicle right there. It's being, they have the tube on top of it. Right there. This picture is incredible, man. It shows so much. Lunar Orbiter 3-213-H1 is the name of that. Is a photo number.